Greetings, mortals. I am Shadow, the ultimate life form, and welcome back to Sonic Dash 2. So I've been doing a few updates on this game, so I did a few things. As you can see, I hacked the game, and I finally unlocked myself, my girlfriend Amy, and Sonic and the others, which I'm gonna stick with. Sonic. Let's do a few things, shall we? Also, let's check out the information on me. Special power. Destroy mines and enemies with a powerful attack. Which is pretty awesome for me. Now, I will be playing the whole game. I will be playing a little bit, only once. Cause I gotta go really quick. So let's get started, shall we? There's me. Here we go. Here we go. Chaos control. Chaos blast. Chaos spear. Crap. So if I die, I'll end the video quickly. So you might want to keep that in mind, fellas. Sorry if I'm being quiet, I gotta concentrate. Well, the things have to arrive once, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Alright, I'm gonna play as Amy. Then I'll end the video. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is what I did here. This is Shadow the Hedgehog signing out.